Doritos, that delicious and crunchy cheese-flavored snack we all love. Today, it is one of the most famous snacks in the world, and it is almost inevitable to become addicted to its crunchy texture and delicious taste, making every bite exquisite. But have you ever wondered how they are made? What secrets might Doritos be hiding inside their factories? Well, stay tuned to this video, because we will show you in detail the production process of one of the world's most well-known snacks. And who knows, maybe after discovering how they are produced, you'll change your perspective on them. So, get comfortable and let's begin. Doritos were born in the 1960s when Arch West, a marketing executive at Frito-Lay, visited a Mexican restaurant in Disneyland. There, he tried some fried corn tortillas that the restaurant usually discarded because they weren't used by customers. Inspired by their flavor, West had the idea of marketing these tortilla chips as a new product. He convinced Frito-Lay to produce them by cutting the tortillas into triangles, frying them, and seasoning them. In 1966, Doritos were launched as the first nationally distributed corn tortilla snack in the United States, quickly becoming a success. The name Doritos comes from the Spanish doradito, which means golden, referring to their color. Now that you know how this delicious snack was born, join me inside the factory and let's see its production process. Step number 1, corn selection and harvesting. The journey of Doritos begins in vast cornfields, meticulously selected for their quality. Choosing the right corn is crucial, as it determines much of the texture and flavor of the final product. The corn cobs are harvested at their optimal ripeness to ensure the grains have the correct levels of starch and moisture. Farmers use advanced harvesting techniques to minimize grain damage, ensuring that only the best corn is used for production. Once harvested, the corn is quickly transported to processing facilities to prevent any deterioration. At the manufacturing plant, the corn undergoes a thorough cleaning process that removes impurities such as dust, stones, and any plant residue. This process is essential to ensure that the corn meets the high-quality standards set by Frito-Lay, the company behind Doritos. Step number 2, cooking and nixtamalization. After cleaning, the corn moves to the cooking process, where nixtamalization occurs. This traditional technique, used since ancient times, involves cooking the corn in water with lime. This process not only softens the grains, but also enhances their flavor and nutritional value by releasing nutrients that would otherwise be inaccessible. During cooking, the corn absorbs the water and lime, which facilitates the removal of husks and improves the cohesion of the dough. The cooked corn is soaked for an extended period, allowing the husks to separate easily and the grains to acquire the desired texture. This soaking also helps the corn reach an optimal moisture level for subsequent milling. Step number 3, milling and dough preparation. Once the corn has been cooked and soaked, it is transported to the mills. Here the corn goes through large stone grinders that turn it into a smooth, uniform dough. This milling process is essential to ensure that the dough acquires the proper texture, allowing it to be rolled into thin sheets. The dough is carefully monitored for moisture and consistency, as these factors will influence the quality and texture of the final Doritos. Once prepared, the dough is passed through rollers that flatten it into thin sheets. These sheets are then cut into triangles by high-precision cutting machines, ensuring each chip has the perfect shape and size. This step is crucial because uniform chip size guarantees even cooking and consistent flavor in every bite. Step number 4, initial cooking and baking. The cut dough triangles are transferred to an oven where they undergo an initial cooking. This step removes excess moisture and begins to form air bubbles in the dough, which are essential for the crunchy texture of Doritos. Baking is done at carefully controlled temperatures to ensure the chips cook evenly without burning. During this process, the dough triangles transform into solid and flexible bases that can withstand frying without breaking. This initial baking also helps develop the characteristic golden color of Doritos, giving them an appetizing appearance. Step number 5, frying and seasoning. After baking, the triangles are transferred to the fryers. Here, they are immersed in hot oil at a precise temperature. Frying is a critical step that transforms the triangles into crispy chips. The oil temperature and cooking time are crucial factors that determine the texture and crunchiness of Doritos. Immediately after frying, the hot chips are moved to a seasoning drum. This is where the flavor magic happens. The Doritos are sprinkled with a secret blend of seasonings that may include cheddar cheese, spices, and other ingredients that vary depending on the flavor. The rotating drum ensures that the seasoning is evenly distributed over each chip, ensuring every bite is a burst of flavor. Step number 6, cooling, packaging, and distribution. Once seasoned, the Doritos go through a cooling process that ensures the seasoning adheres correctly and that the chips are ready for packaging. Cooling is also important to maintain the freshness and crunchy texture of the Doritos until they reach consumers. On the packaging line, Doritos are packed into bags filled with a bit of nitrogen. This inert gas helps maintain the freshness of the chips by displacing oxygen that could cause rancidity. Each bag is hermetically sealed and undergoes quality control before being placed in boxes for distribution. The boxes filled with Doritos are shipped to distribution centers and then to stores worldwide. The careful logistics process ensures that Doritos reach their final destination in perfect condition, ready to be enjoyed by chip lovers. Tell me, is it what you expected? Personally, I expected worse, but seeing this, I feel more at ease. Doritos ensures that at every step of manufacturing, the quality of the chips is at its highest. Despite this, it remains an unhealthy snack that you should not regularly include in your diet. And now that you know how this famous snack is made, we have a question for you. Will you continue consuming them?